Hello everyone! We are from the Humber International Center, here to show you how to locate your Confirmation of Enrollment letter and request digital transcripts on the newly updated MyHumber platform. To find your Confirmation of Enrollment letter, open a browser in your device and search MyHumber. Click on this link and click on the MyHumber login button. Sign it with your Humber login. That's your N number at humber.ca. You'll need to authenticate your passwords through the Authenticator app. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to the home page. Click on the Home drop-down and click Student. Then click on the Student Records Quick Launch tab, where you'll find the Confirmation of Enrollment link. Log in with your Humber credentials again, and you'll be redirected to this page. Click on the Student tab, the Student Records sub-tab, and the Confirmation of Enrollment/Graduation under it. Click on the highlighted View Enrollment based on your preferred semester, and you'll be able to see your Confirmation of Enrollment letter available for download.